Bitget has a new product on its platform and I can't wait to share with you guys. This is the Bitget Onchain. It's a new project from Bitget that allows users to discover and invest in crypto early before they are listed on major exchanges. Instead of using complicated decentralized apps, DeFi or multiple wallets, Bitget Onchain breaks everything into one place, making it easy and secure to access your tokens early and higher APR, trade directly from your Bitget account with no wallet needed, and also access multiple projects across multiple blockchains like Solana, Base, BNB chain, etc. It's like getting a VIP access to the crypto scene before it goes mainstream. And here's how to access it. Step 1, open your Bitget application. Make sure you are signed in into a verified Bitget account. If you don't have one yet, sign up and first complete your KYC. Go to the Onchain section. Tap Markets, then tap Onchain. Or go to the Trade Onchain from the Home tab. Step 3, you get to explore early stage tokens. You see categories like hot picks, that is token gaining attention, new picks, freshly launched tokens. You can filter by blockchain network, example Solana or Ethereum, volume, market cap, holders, and more. Always trade smarter with Bitget.